India is known for its year-round festivities, and as soon as the autumn comes around, the preparation starts to celebrate the goddess of power. Durga Puja is hugely celebrated in the eastern belt of India. The last 4 days of Navratri will be lightened with the power of Ma Durga. Being a Bengali, I never leave a chance to celebrate the festival with my family. When the 2020 comes around, the normal is being changed to be adjusted. 2020 has affected many lives in different ways. In few of the cities, surely the festival is not being celebrated this year, but there are few places in the eastern zone where it is getting organized with social distancing and a long list of precautions. Surely the pandals are still going to be empty, but nothing can bring peace by looking to the face of Ma Durga and bowing down to her in prayers to take us to the safest place. Earlier, where the pandals were used to compete to show the best of the works, and now they were given the guidelines to make it up to the rules. I have captured few of the moments from 2020 Puja. I went to 2 to 3 vendors and had a brief conversation, from which I came to know in my city there were hardly few orders they have got to carve the pratima. Again, which they have got a guidelines to carve it to a given size. This time of the year, the marketplace used to be the crowded and the most craziest place ever you have visited. And also, it used to be open for about 14 hours or more. And definitely 2020 has affected the marketplace in a huge way. The marketplace usually starts to get crazy by the 6th day of Navratri, but what I have experienced is that this year it was empty because by the 6th day it used to get crazy, but it was empty by that time. There was a huge difference. Saptami, Ashtami and Navami. People will celebrate these 3 days with full of energy, wearing new clothes to hopping pandals to having their favorite cuisines in their favorite restaurants. To avoid crowds, we have avoided pandal hopping on every day. What I hugely missed was the Vijaya, means the Dashami Visarjan. It is one of my favorite things during this Durga Puja. Also, I'm grateful to celebrate this year's puja with my family like every year. I hope that you all have enjoyed this year's puja with all the safety guidelines, and I really hope that next year's puja will be much more easier to enjoy without taking a lot of burden in our head. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of your mental health. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, all stay beautiful. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free. It will definitely motivate me to film more videos, upcoming all informatics videos. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video if you feel like it was some kind of interesting. Okay, bye.